Alright guys, this is the back of my van. Let's see, we got my keys set up here. I'm still adding some. And down here we have my bag with my pen and kit and stuff. We have my workbench here with my key machine and my pen and mat, my main tools that I carry with me, my door wedges, stuff. Under here we have my platform for if I'm doing taller garages and stuff, my automotive lockout stuff. Got my light, some cans of Houdini and some rags down there. We have my fold up cart that I take with me on bigger jobs. My toolbox with all my tools, we'll get into that in a second. Some more keys. Some extra parts like strike plates and screws and stuff, and there's some latches and stuff in there as well in the bottom. And then we have my main residential lockout bag. We'll go into this a little bit real quick. And here we have my Kronos electric pick, door shim, rip stop, double door tool, and then that's like the A1 quick pull tool, but I made it myself out of some PVC parts and small thread. And in this pocket in here I have this thing. This back in here real quick, and I'll show you the other pocket. Here in the front, this big pocket, some padlock shims, lockpick lodge. This is a modified lever lockpick. I bought it from Andy Mac and modified it myself. Some cheap tubular picks. My bypass tools are in there, and then screwdriver and some small pliers. And in this front pocket, there's a doorway, or an automotive door wedge, and my hammerless punch. I usually have some door shims in there, but they're actually sitting right here right now. Alright, and then in this, we'll go through this a bit. In here, I have another one of my door wedges. A body mount for my camera. Labs back set. And I got some locks and some lock parts, and these are like my jiggler keys and furniture keys, things like that. Then I just got some extra tools in here that I use often enough. Let's get this back together. Pull this one. And then here electric screwdriver, and my surge impact, and a battery, and a screwdriver bit. There. This bag's all the M12 batteries. Another lockpick lodge that doesn't have anything in it. I have some screwdriver bits and some hammers and pliers down there. This is screwdrivers. My inspection camera. These are all of my automotive tools. And then get this put back real quick. My Milwaukee shop vac here. And bottom of this, I have my M18 drill, my hinge doctor kit, and a rivet gun, and some extra parts and stuff in there. But and then we'll show you what I got in this bag real quick before we go. Got some wedges, razor blade knife, the wear compact. Is that a few? Sorry about that. Wear compact. Some Sharpies. I just gotta have some Houdini in there. Not really anything in there. Impressioning handle, and just some other than this, everything else is just some random tools, hand tools, Nip-X nippers, stuff like that, pliers. 2 hands for that. And like I said, this is just my pinning kit stuff down here. Some files. But that's it. That's what I got so far, guys. Bye. Oh, I'm doing a fundraiser right now for t-shirts. I'll put the link in the description below. Please check that out. Alright, have a good day, everybody.